Meaning of infernal.
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 Infernal. The term infernal refers to something relating to hell or the underworld. It is often used to describe something that is evil, fiendish, or diabolical in nature. This word can also be used to describe a situation or circumstance that is extremely difficult or unpleasant. For example, one might refer to a particularly frustrating or tedious task as infernal. Additionally, one might describe a person or group of people as infernal if they are particularly bothersome or troublesome. Overall, the connotation of infernal is generally negative and associated with dark or demonic imagery.